Hey there! Want to make your email experience even better with the Mail app? I've got 3 super helpful tips that will boost your email management skills and let you take full advantage of all the cool features that the app has to offer. So let's jump right in. Tip 1. Use VIP lists for important contacts. First, open the Mail app. Next, head over to Mailboxes. Then tap on VIP. From this screen, you can add VIP emails and manage your VIP contacts. After that, make sure to add your important contacts to the VIP list so you can quickly access their emails whenever you need. Tip 2. Customize swipe gestures. Now open Settings, then scroll down a bit. After that, tap on Mail. Then go to Swipe Options. Now you can set up swipe gestures to swipe, swiftly archive, delete, or mark your emails as read or unread. Tip 3. Use the search function efficiently. Open the Mail app. Tap the search bar located at the top. Enter the keywords related to the email you're searching for. Finally, use filters to narrow down the results by sender, subject, or content. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your emails more effectively and truly make the most of the Mail app on your iPhone. If you have any questions or need a hand with anything else, don't hesitate to ask. Happy emailing!